Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is Monday morning. We have about 1 minute left until the market opens here. Let's take a look at what we have today. So hourly, we've been in a downtrend. We did come into some support here and trying to get a little bit of a bounce back up with inverse head and shoulders here. But we've already come into the level where I would have liked that retest. If I switch it over here, take a look here. Weekly, I think it's actually the daily here. NQ. Yeah, we put in a 1, 2, 3 long here. Long setup on the daily. Came back into this resistance level. Yeah, the high and the low of these candles right here. So let's see what happens here at the open. We have about 10 seconds left. Gonna wait and watch, see what type of setups we get. Adjust this. Yeah, just have to keep in mind of that downtrend that we're in. Look at the 4 hour. We're still trending underneath the 9, the 20. We'll sometimes get that push above and ultimately get denied back down. There is that 4 hour level here with the 9, but we're in between both moving averages right now. Market is opened 30-minute. Let's take a look here. Trying to hold the 20. 15-minute. Push back up here into the 9. 5-minute. Push back up. Yeah, we're gonna wait and watch here because we're in that downtrend, but we are at a spot where we could get some sort of a relief bounce. So let's see what setups we get today, and see you guys on the first trade. Thinking about grabbing that long there if we got a little bit lower.
Order working. Order filled.
All right, we'll grab it long there. Why am I on MNQ? 77.
Order working.
Give it a little bit of room there. 15-minute long setup. Came into the 15-minute 9 as well.
Order working.
See if we can take that back into the 912 level. $912 level. Not really holding this. Just trying to hold this 5-minute level here. Getting some buyers stepping up here. See if we get stopped out here, if they're going to be able to keep pushing it higher. Fighting this level here where I initially went long. Good open here on the 5 minute over the 9. Might not matter though. Looks like we might just get stopped out right here, send it through the lows.
Stop filled.
Yeah, unable to hold up there. Unless we just stop out and then send it back up. Those are my favorite. Try getting the 15 minute long setup here, 5 minute, holding the 9 as well. Prior highs from the morning before continuing higher, but couldn't quite hold that. Ended up coming down into towards those 5 minute consolidation levels. Trying to hold up through the 9 here. Swift move down, stopped me out. All right, well that's that trade. Let's wait and watch here and see what sets up for us.
Order working.
I'm gonna grab it short here. Watching on the 1 inside the 5 minute here. I do think we're going to get some continuation down, projecting moving averages here. Want to get a starter at least. I think we'll probably close within anyway, 5 minute short setup. But I'm watching on the 1. I don't think we might not get necessarily that 5 minute short setup. It might work sooner. So we're going to grab it there. 20 seconds left. Yeah, kind of just watching inside this 5 minute here, watching the 15 minute reject. We do have the 5 minute short setup.
Order working.
We're going to get our stop in. Ended up pushing higher into the 20 and the 5-minute PCL right here. Stop is like so close to that 9 there. Ended up breaking that high of the previous 5-minute candle. Want to get it over top of this candle. That was really close right there. Yeah, if we break that high, that 5-minute candle there, I'm okay with that. I didn't even want it to get up this high, so it'll probably just stop me out. But if it does, it's how it's going to be.
Stop filled.
There it is. Yeah, 5-minute short setup, looking for it to continue rolling over here underneath the levels here, that consolidation that we put in. Breaking through there. Ran a test there, breaking over through that 60. See if now they're going to reject. I mean, this is a great level short. Let's see where they close the 5-minute here. We do have potentially 5-minute short setup again under the moving averages. And this is a big level right here. New 15-minute candle as well. See if they can close it under the 9. Man, they closed it like on the freaking level. Look at that. 4 hour trying to hold this 9 and 20 here. $15-minute holding the 9 and 20. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if we end up just going through.
Order working.
Wanted before we got that spike. Stop under the low. Watching it here. Yeah, it's just taking off. All right, let's just wait and watch and wait for the next one to set up.
Order filled.
We're gonna grab it short there. Quick pop, 5-minute short setup as well. Into the moving average with the 9. It's a little bit more criteria there. Should be a stronger setup. So 54.50. We're gonna risk just over the high here.
Order working.
We're gonna see if we can't ride that thing at least down to the 811s or so. Take another swing at it here. Got a nice entry. Let's see if we can't get that continuation down. You see some increased selling here. So yeah, technically 15-minute long setup. We already broke a new high and then coming back down into it technically. Or what I find is that those don't typically hold. I expect to see us get down to here before we end up breaking these levels here. But let's see what happens. Got a little run up there, test back up. New 5-minute candle is about to open. Closed underneath the previous candle. Look to get that continuation down. Let's see what they do. Got the 920 across bearish here. Reminds me a lot of this day right here. We got the strong 4-hour close over the 20 to 9. Came back into it, really struggled. Not necessarily saying we're going to see selling like this, but just in the fact that it drew a lot of people in long over this 9 and 20. I mean, typically what I see with the 4-hour setups right here, they do not hold. I mean, this thing could easily, we could get under 800. We're going to open a new hourly here in about 3 minutes. All I see are short setups. 30-minute is a long setup though. Yeah, 30 minutes kind of spooky. Yeah, hopefully we can close this 30-minute really bearish here. Maybe we can get, if we can get the drop before the top of the hour, that would be pretty cool. Yeah, depending, I might close this depending on how this sets up here. Five minutes just holding up. 1 minute left. Let's see what they're going to do here. See where they close this 5:30. See if they can dump it down. Come on, break. Break. We need to break this 30 level right here. It's going to force me to cover it. $20 seconds left. Come on, break the 30s. Come on.
Order filled.
I gotta cover it there. I've seen this too many times where this 5-minute retraces the entire thing and you have a 30-minute long setup. It's into the 9. It's gonna keep dumping down. Into the 20 there. Well, of course, top of the 30-minute, we got that dump down. Now let's see if they retrace it. Wouldn't have hit my buy order there, so, but did come into the 20. But we could have easily held this, not broken this low, and then gotten that move up higher. Not to say we can't keep heading down, but the way we set up this 5-minute, the 30-minute, hourly closed over the 9 again. 4 hours just kind of sitting there. I'm okay with that cover. If I had more contracts, I'd probably cover half and then keep holding. Keep my stop still if we break the trend here. Down 115. Guess we'll keep watching and see what sets up.
Order working. Order filled.
I'm gonna grab it short here. Watching this 5-minute setup here. Let's see if we'll close it within. But watching it inside the 5. Might have front run it here just a little bit. So we did end up closing within red as well.
Order working.
Gonna put the stop in there. This thing might shoot up here. Holding underneath these levels right here though. Good rejection there. Needs to break this. Needs to break these 805 level. 805 level mark. Yeah, it's pushing to break through. Need the sellers to step up, push us under this 805 here. They're fighting it. They're trying to hold this. There it is. Maybe they sweep it and then push it higher. Typical. They might push it up here. Yeah, it's at a breaking point. Yeah, we need the sell-off right now. If it gets bought up, starts going green again, we might see a quick shoot up into the stop. Yeah, need some hard selling. Man, it's trying. They have a 15-minute, 5-minute. Yeah, this thing's gonna probably take us out here. It's a nice long setup. I actually wanted to grab that if we came down a little bit lower here.
Stop filled.
That's a shame there because it's set up for the long. Wanted to grab it, cover it a little bit lower here. That's a shame. I should have been flipped long on this. We got the 15-minute close within the range. 15-minute long setup, 5-minute long setup. I was just looking for a little bit more, like 3 points lower to get in there. instead of covering for a little win and then grabbing it long, I'm just getting stopped out of the short. That one hurts. .30-minute. Yeah, we're coming into a 30-minute short as well. It's tough because we're still downtrending the 9 on the 5.
Order working. Order filled.
I'm gonna grab it here.
Order working.
We're gonna do a tighter stop, 31.75. Yeah, I mean, we've peaked the 9 every time. If we get over this 9, over these levels here on the 30-minute, then it can stop me out.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's a 15-minute setup as well there. Oh man, 525. Prob's gonna call it there for the recording. We'll see if anything else sets up during the day. It's been a little bit longer than usual. Should have been long on those setups there, but sorry, I missed our exit by a little bit there. See if anything else sets up for us during the day. Yeah, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. If you liked the videos, of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave any comments, whatever you think, and we'll see you guys in the morning.